Hello and welcome to computer class. How are you all students? Today we are going to do test paper 2, 3 and 4 which is at the back of your book. So let's start the class. So now let's start with the test papers, and these test papers are at the back of the GK book. So test paper 2, first part A, we have to answer the following questions. Which was the first country to print books? This China. Second, what is a foot race with a distance of 42.2 kilometers called? Ultra marathon. Which fruit is commonly known as shehtoot? Mulberry. And mulberry boosts our immune system, it improves blood circulation. And fourth, what was invented by Jap Hudson? It is Bluetooth, and it was invented in 1994. Next, which is the most common blood group? This type O. O positive blood is given to the patients more than any other blood type. Sixth, which country is known as the Rainbow Nation? It is Republic of South Africa. It describes the unity of various culture, racial or ethnic groups in the country. Seventh, where is the headquarter of ISRO? It is in Bengaluru. And ISRO, full form of ISRO, is Indian Space Research Organization, which is the pioneer space exploration agency of Government of India, and which is the only flying mammal. It is bat, and it have been mastered the power of flight. Now, moving to part B, identify and name the following. So, the first is the hummingbird, and then this personality is Satish Dhawan, and then it's the personality Bhavish Agarwal. Now, moving to the part C, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, the Indian Air Force is the air based branch of defense services. It is true. Second, Catherine Bigelow is the first female film director to win an Oscar award for Best Direction. This is also true. Third, Vincent van Gogh painted The Three Girls. False. It was painted by Amrita Shergill. Fourth, the host country of 2018 Winter Olympic Games was South Africa, Korea, and it is true. Fifth, the longest river in the world is Mississippi. It is false. It is River Nile, and it is almost stretching to 4,130 miles. Sixth, Pacific Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It is false. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Seventh, Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. It is true. Now moving to test paper 3. Part A, take the correct answer. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest in 1984. And she is Bachendri Pal. Second, the smallest ocean in the world, and this Arctic Ocean. Question 3, which Indian state is also known as Pearl of the Orient? And it is Indian state is Goa. Fourth, honeybees taste with their feet. Fifth, which body part does the cataract affect? Eyes. Now, part B, identify and name the following. So, the first is the white water rafting. Second, snorkeling. Third, the personality is Savitri Phule. And fourth, Malala Yousafzai. Now, part C, unscramble the letters and name the following. First, it looks like a bunch of marble-sized orange colored tomato. And after unscrambling it, the word is poha berry. Second, the deepest fresh water lake in the world is Lake Baikal. Third, Kempty Falls are located in this Indian state, Uttarakhand. Fourth, she is the author of Black Beauty, Anna Sewell. Fifth, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in this ocean, Indian Ocean. Sixth, this is the longest beach in India, Marina Beach. The seventh, this is the only country where lemurs can be found. It is Madagascar. Eighth, the flag of this country is a white rectangle with a red disc in the center. It is Japan. Ninth, she is the first female Chancellor of Germany, Angela Merkel. Now moving to test paper 4. Part A, name the following. She is known for her novel The God of Small Things. Arundhati Roy. Second, he is the founder of the social networking website Facebook, and the person name is Mark Zuckerberg. Third, this country is also known as Land of Thunder Dragon, Bhutan. He is the first person to make 3 test centuries in his first innings as a captain, Virat Kohli. Fifth, this country won the 2018 FIFA World Cup, France. Sixth, she is the first woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest, Junko Tabai. Now moving to part B, fill in the blanks with correct answer. First, popcorn was discovered by the Charles Crater. Second, Europe is named after the mythological Greek princess Europa. Third, located in Pisa, Leaning Tower of Pisa is known for its tilt. Fourth, Dash is the hottest planet in the solar system, Venus. Fifth, Dash made a world record by launching 104 satellites through one launch rocket, India. Full form of BSF is Border Security Force. Seventh, Ralph Skender invented the credit card. Eighth, Matilda was written by Roald Dahl. Ninth, the headquarters of ISRO is in Bengaluru. 10th, she is known as the Queen of Crime, Agatha Christie. So part C, identify and name the following. This picture is of Abhinav Bindra, and then next is Parthenon. Next is Raja Ravi Verma. So students, you have to complete the test papers 2, 3 and 4 in your book. Students, you are going to complete test paper 2, 3 and 4 in your GK book. Take care. Bye students.